Cheese sauce is one of those foundational recipes that can level up so many dishes. Officially called a Mornay sauce, it starts with a bechamel, which is a simple white sauce. It sounds fancy, but with just pantry staples, it comes together quickly and easily. Hi friend, come on in. I make bechamel and cheese sauces often as they're the base for everything from mac and cheese to lasagna, and they're a great substitute for cream-based soups. We start with a roux, a cooked paste of butter and flour. In a saucepan over medium heat, about 5 to 6 out of 10, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour. Cooking this for 3 to 5 minutes removes the raw flour taste and keeps the flavor light. For a nuttier flavor, cook longer, but today we're keeping it pale. Essentially, the lighter the roux, the more delicate the flavor, while a darker roux has a nuttier flavor. Keep the roux moving to prevent scorching. Slowly whisk in milk. Adding it in stages ensures a smooth sauce with no lumps. If the liquid hits a hot roux too fast, it can clump, so control the heat. Keep whisking as it thickens, adding milk until you reach your desired consistency. At this stage, you've made a classic bechamel. Season with salt, white pepper, or black pepper if you don't mind specks, and a pinch of nutmeg. Nutmeg is traditional in bechamel and Mornay sauces, as it boosts the creaminess without tasting sweet. For the cheese sauce, lower the heat, around 3 to 4 out of 10. Keep an eye on the temperature. If it gets too hot, the cheese sauce can break and turn grainy. Keep it low for a smooth sauce. Stir in the cheese gradually, letting each addition melt fully before adding more. Today I'm using grated Romano, Parmesan, and mozzarella. If the sauce thickens too much, thin it with a splash of milk. If possible, shred cheese yourself, as pre-shredded can contain anti-caking agents that can resist melting. Taste and adjust seasoning. Now you have a silky Mornay sauce ready for anything from lasagna to mac and cheese. If you missed my mac and cheese video, I'll have it linked in the cards and show notes. The lasagna video using this sauce is coming soon. I'll have it linked when it comes out. I've also included a free plus printable recipe sheet for this cheese sauce. Find it on Patreon or Ko-fi. If you love learning how to make your own pantry staples, hit subscribe. I've got more recipes coming your way. Thanks for hanging out with me today.